Hey guys, I'm Carly Cylinder, and today I'm going to show Amy, my dear friend who I love, at her awesome studios. This is like so cool. I'm going to show her how to make a very easy DIY flower crown. I got these flowers from Trader Joe's. They're just pre-made bunches that you see all the time, and we're going to transform these into beautiful flower crowns.
What better way to celebrate my favorite season than with a beautiful flower crown craft? I've been wanting to launch a new series on my channel for quite some time, so let's consider this the first one. I envision studio sessions to be where I invite a fellow creative to come craft with me in the studio and to share their expertise on a project together. Hopefully, it will feel as though you're right here getting creative and having fun with us. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. As always, I hope you feel inspired to get those creative juices flowing.
Yeah, I've never seen carnations in this fuchsia. It's so vibrant.
Beautiful.
It is.
All of the supplies and Carly's book, The Flower Chef, are linked below. And she wasn't too particular on exact items, so just use what you have and choose the flowers that make you the happiest.
All right.
I'm so excited.
I know, I am too. Have you ever made one?
I have.
You have?
Yes.
Oh.
But not from like the beginning, right?
Okay.
It was almost given to me as I had to braid it.
Yes.
And then they showed me how to do it with the wire and the twine.
paddle wire, like the green wire?
I've used the green and I've used, I think, lighter twine than this.
Okay.
It was on the beach in Maui. Slightly
well,
different.
Fine.
This is different. This is in my studio. It's so much better.
Yeah, it's better than Hawaii.
That's a lie.
Yeah.
Sorry, I lied to you guys.
Total lie. So you may have used bind wire. I only use two types of wire. So this is grapevine wire, also called rustic wire. It's just thicker wire. And then this is bind wire, which is just twined with wire. So awesome. That's all you need. And you can buy it online or wherever a flower mart, but no one goes. Buy it online. Okay. Buy it on Amazon.
All right. We'll link it below.
Yeah. Buy where, you buy everything. So all we're going to do is you measure your head, measure a little bit longer, and then give it a cut. And if you're making a lot of these, then I'll just use this as the guide. And
yeah, but what if your head's smaller than mine, which it is?
My head's smaller?
My head's large.
No way.
Yes.
No. I definitely have a bigger
Watch
head.
this.
Wait, let's see. Let's see.
Mine's bigger.
Okay, by like 2 inches.
2 inches? That's a lot for a head.
You look like you have a small head.
Oh my gosh, I got this big head. What are you talking about?
I have like a mushroom head, like a... Okay, so we're gonna... Well...
Okay,
if you have a... Yeah, if you have a bigger head, if you're working with big-headed people like Amy, cut it longer. And then you can always make it smaller. Which one's yours? Like, okay, so if your big head was going on my small average head, you can just squeeze it in the back once it's on. That's easy.
That makes sense.
That's the easiest way.
Better to go bigger.
Yes.
Because you can always adjust.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So then I just give it a little twist.
Oh, so you tie it already?
Yes. So go like that. And the only thing you need to think about beforehand is if you're going to make a half, which I normally do because I'm really lazy.
Yeah.
Or all the way around.
No, half.
We'll do half.
Well, you just want it in the front. Sometimes I only curl the front of my hair.
I know, her hair is beautiful and mine's not.
No, your hair is great.
No. Oh, okay.
Okay. That looks good.
So wait, do you want yours around the front like that, or do you want it like a side?
Oh, whatever you think. We're doing a rainbow.
We're doing a rainbow because we're colorful. Which is so fun.
Yeah.
I'm neutral. She's bright. So, okay, we have the pre-made bunches, which is awesome.
Great.
So we have the pre-made bunches plus one extra. And you can break it apart. Now, we're gonna cut all of the flowers a few inches, right? So all of the flowers are going to be cut about that length. So you can cut directly from the bunch.
Amazing.
And a lot of these are long lasting. So, the mums, I always, even though I'm a florist, I'm like, is it a mum or a daisy? A lot of them look alike. That's for sure a mum. Carnations. The lily's probably the only thing I wouldn't use because it's gonna die pretty fast out of water, but you could just put that in a spare vase. And then a rose will last a day or two out of water. So these are pretty long lasting. And then we just have some greenery, like the lemon leaves and some other random greenery. So I pull the twine from the center. So I cut about an inch, or not an inch, a foot or so, just because it's easier to manage. So this is what we'll tie the flowers on with.
Okay.
Okay. So if you're making a half crown, you're going to start from the front and work your way to the back. So half crown, start from the front, work your way to the back. If you're going full crown, you'll start from the back and go all the way around.
Got it.
So that's why you just have to think beforehand.
Okay.
But you want to add all the flowers in the same direction.
Okay.
That's really the only thing. We might.
Oh my
That looks really
gosh,
cool.
I kind of like it.
Do you want to add more, or what do you think?
I don't know. I'm kind of. You think it needs
Let me see.
a little bit more on the sides?
I mean,
like here.
Yeah, why don't we go around a little bit more?
Cool. Yeah, I like it.
This is our second test. My hair just drives me crazy all the time.
Okay, I think this is kind of perfect. And then it covers some of my big forehead. Do we like that?
Yes, you look like a Hawaiian princess. That looks pretty.
It's cute.
Okay,
so fun.
Now I'm gonna make mine.
Perfect.
But we'll cruise along on that one too.
Yep. Carly is a total pro. Remember, there's no wrong way to get creative. The process should be enjoyable. Let the energy you put into it flow organically.
It's done.
It's so big and fun. Do you guys like this?
Yeah.
I think it's
really
fun.
cute.
Stephanie's in here too, shooting some behind the scenes.
Yeah. Yay.
You guys are seeing it all today, right?
I know.
I love it.
Okay, we're gonna tell you this isn't what our everyday is like.
Come on, don't tell them that. No, I'm just kidding. Of course. You guys know that. You guys know that. Me in my jammies.
But when we get to you, it's awesome.
It is
so
awesome.
Fun. Yeah, not gonna lie.
We went to lunch before this.
Yes.
And I was literally wearing sweatpants.
Yeah,
and no bra.
But you look very chic.
Thank you.
I mean, if I look like that.
Come on. No, that's silly.
Great.
Okay, how amazing is Carly? Thank you so much for coming into the studio with us, and I hope you enjoy this new series.